Well, new at 4:30, after 6 months of vetting, the University of Utah's police chief has been cleared of any criminal wrongdoing. Chief Rodney Chapman has been on administrative leave since December 10th. He was under investigation by the Utah Attorney General's office after being accused of improperly carrying a gun and badge before he was certified to do so in the state of Utah. But in a letter sent by the Salt Lake County District Attorney's office to the university's general counsel, the DA's office found there was insufficient evidence to file any charges. Chapman was named as the the University of Utah's police chief in January of late last year. Now, to help reform the campus police department after the murder of Lauren McCluskey, it was a big deal and a big hire. But his time as chief at the U may be short-lived. Chapman is now a finalist for a new position as the chief of police and director of public safety at the University of Kansas. A spokesperson for the University of Utah says Chief Chapman remains on leave.